Hey guys, so Call of Duty, I posted an image saying that if you go on the Odyssey map, it says check the vents. So I'm gonna go and try to run around and I'm gonna see if I play and see if I can hop up in the vent and let's see what happens. All right, here's the vent. Let's go. All right, let's see if I can get some kills. Let's see what'll happen.
2,000 years later.
Hopefully somebody will pass by real quick.
6.5 hours later.
And I'll be able to show you how to get a kill from the vent.
A few inches later.
Or you'll figure out how to get kills from the vent yourself.
Day 2.
All right, come on, come on, come on.
Day 3.
Let's see if I go back and forth.
Day 4.
Oh, there's one. Okay, I missed him.
A few moments later.
That's my teammate.
1 eternity later.